Hai, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh dan salam sejahtera. Bertemu kembali dalam channel Cikgu Raihan from Zero to Hero. Jom terokai dunia matematik bersama Cikgu. So for this video, we will learn Mathematics SSM Form 3, continue with Chapter 3, Consumer Mathematics, Savings and Investment, Credit and Debt. For this video, we will focus on 3.2.5, calculate the total amount of loan repayment and installment with various interest rates and different loan periods. Loan. House loan. Car loan. How do you calculate loan repayment and installment? Loan. Each loan will be charged interest on the loan from the date the loan was released to the borrower. There are two calculation methods for loan interest, namely flat interest rate and interest on balance. A flat interest rate is an interest rate that has a fixed value based on the principal loan amount throughout the loan period. The interest rate is usually used for car loans, personal loans, and consumer loans. The formula for loans on flat interest rate is A equal to P plus P of T. A stands for total repayment, P stands for principal, R stands for interest rate, and T stands for time. The monthly installment is the total amount paid by the borrower to the bank every month to settle the balance of the loan. Let's see example 18 from your textbook, page 78. Mrs. Lim bought a car worth Ringgit Malaysia 80,000 on credit. She pays 10% down payment and the balance is payable in installment over 6 years. The flat interest rate imposed by the bank is 4% per annum. What is the amount of repayment and monthly installment payable by Mrs. Lim? Let's see the solution. The loan amount is equal to purchase price minus with down payment. So Ringgit Malaysia 80,000 minus with RM 8,000. So the total loan amount is equal to Ringgit Malaysia 72,000. So interest for 6 years equal to Ringgit Malaysia 70,000, which are the loan amount, times with the rate 4% and the time for 6 years. So total interest equal to Ringgit Malaysia 17,280. So the total repayment equal to Ringgit Malaysia 72,000 plus with Ringgit Malaysia 17,280 ringgit. So total equal to ringgit Malaysia 89,280. The monthly installment is equal to RM 89,280 divided by total of month for 6 years 72. So every month she need to pay ringgit Malaysia 1,240. Let's continue with example 19 from your textbook page 78. Encik Azlan obtained a personal loan of ringgit Malaysia 10,000 from Bank Mulia with an interest rate of 4% per annum. The repayment period is 7 years. What is the monthly installment to be paid by Encik Azlan? Let's see the solution. So, use the formula A equal to P plus PRT. So, loan which are principal equal to ringgit Malaysia 10,000, rate equal to 4%, and the times equal to 7 years. So the total repayment equal to A RM 10,000 plus with 10,000 times 4 times 7. So equal to ringgit Malaysia 10,000 plus with ringgit Malaysia 2,800. So the total of repayment equal to ringgit Malaysia 12,800. The monthly installment equal to RM 12,800 divided by total of month for 7 years. So 84 months equal to ringgit Malaysia 152 ringgit and 38 cents. Interest on balance. In addition to the flat interest, banks also offer interest on balance for certain types of loan. In the interest on balance method, the amount of interest charged each month on the loan depends on the amount of the loan balance for that month. Since there is monthly installment payment, the amount of the loan balance will be reduced. Thus, the amount of interest for each month will also be reduced. However, it should be noted that for every installment paid each month, the priority is given to the settle the interest amount in that month, and then the balance is used to settle the outstanding balance of the loan amount. Let's see example 20 on your textbook page 79. Encik Haris obtained a personal loan of ringgit Malaysia 10,000 from Bank Mulia with an interest rate of 6% on the balance. The repayment period is 7 years while the monthly installment is a ringgit Malaysia 150. Calculate the total amount of interest payable by Encik Haris for the first 3 months. Let's see the solution. The solution for example 20, we'll see for the first month. First month interest will equal to ringgit Malaysia 10,000 multiplied with 6% multiplied with 1/12. So so equal to Ringgit Malaysia 50 for the first month interest. Loan at the end of the first month will equal to Ringgit Malaysia 10,050 ringgit. Balance after the first installment will equal to Ringgit Malaysia 9,900. Balance of the loan at the beginning of second month is equal to Ringgit Malaysia 9,900. The calculation for the second month interest will equal to Ringgit Malaysia 49 ringgit and 50 cents. Loan at the end of the second month will equal to Ringgit Malaysia 9,949 and 50 cents. Balance after the second installment equal to Ringgit Malaysia 9,799 and 50 cents. Let's see for the third month calculation. Balance of the loan at the beginning of third month equal to Ringgit Malaysia 9,799 and 50 cents. So for the third month calculation, third month interest will equal to Ringgit Malaysia 49. Loan at the end of the third month will equal to Ringgit Malaysia 9,848 and 50 cents. Balance after second installment will equal to Ringgit Malaysia 9,698 and 50 cents. So, total interest for the first 3 months is equal to Ringgit Malaysia 50 plus Ringgit Malaysia 49 and 50 cents plus Ringgit Malaysia 49. So, equal to Ringgit Malaysia 148 and 50 cents. So, that means the total interest for the first 3 months is equal to Ringgit Malaysia 148 and 50 cents. Practice makes perfect from zero to hero. Thank you for watching this video. For any question, you can leave your comment. You can find me at YouTube channel Cikgu Raihan.